Hey there, we get a lot of questions about how do you cut mica glass. Mica glass is a real thin glass, almost like a thin plexiglass that's really flexible and used in a lot of antique stoves and potbelly stoves. Sometimes you'll see it, the real old ones look like it's like paper. You can almost push your finger through when it's deteriorating, getting really old. But we use a cutting board like this to cut it. We can cut it to exact sizes to the inch that way, and it cuts real easily. It does a nice job. You can also use like a razor knife like this and just mark it where you want it and then cut it. And that cuts it real easy. And you can also use scissors. I don't like scissors, but you can. Scissors tends to mar the end a little bit if you got a dull pair of scissors. These ones are really sharp, so this does a good job. The nice thing is you can cut it, then you can make curves or do whatever that way. So it cuts real simply for, if it's a new piece. The old stuff gets real brittle and it won't cut very easily for you. But you can get them in a multitude of sizes. We start out at 3x3, and we stock all the way up to by 5x7. 6x8s we can get, 10x10s, and 12x12s, but they're really hard to come by. The bigger the glass is, the harder it is for them to peel the mineral off in sheets. It comes in like a big block that they peel the sheets off of. Some of the other mica you might see is real opaque, and that stuff is actually bits of mica that they cut up real fine and then press it into sheets. And it's used more for like insulators and things like that, some antique lamps and things. But the stove mica is pretty clear, as you can see there. So if you need more help or need anything with mica, give us a holler.